everyone, welcome to this video demo of FitFolio, a fitness tracking web application which is designed to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. My name is Arman Ahmed and I will guide you through the various features of FitFolio. Since we are a new user, we are going to register ourselves. Let's put in Harry. All right. 21, male, 180, A. All right, so now we have registered successfully. Now we can just go and log in using credentials we had inputted. Now this is our dashboard. Here you can see your BMI level gauge. It should be in the middle. That'll mean normal, and this is towards the obese side, and this is the underweight. You can get instant health feedback as well. So we are in the normal range. Okay, now this is a BMI comparison chart. We can add our target weight. Let's say I'm going to do it 70, and let's do it by the New Year's 1st January. Let's set the target. As you can see, we have set our target from 24 to 21. Okay, now we can update our details in the profile page. Let's visit the profile page. In this profile page, you can see your information, your current BMI, target BMI, your height and weight. For example, during the registration process, you had inputted a wrong value for the height. You can just go ahead and update the value here. Now we can save the changes. Now, this is the personal record section. Let me add our personal record. All right. Okay, now we have some feedback for this as well. Now coming back to the dashboard, you can see your personal records here as well in this chart. Now let's visit the calorie tracker nutrition page. In this chart, you can input your calories and it will show you 10 days worth of information of your calorie intake. Let me add the data. For example, 10 days ago, you can add calorie intake here. Okay, as you can see here, let's add on 15th. Okay. As you can see, I have inputted 10 days worth of data in this chart, line chart. You can see particular calorie intake on that particular day. So you want to keep this a line chart as flat as possible, meaning that you're consistent with your calorie intake goal. Added, I don't know, 10,000 calories. We can just subtract it out as well. Now, coming back to the dashboard, there's a page called Science-Based Workouts where I have curated a list of workouts which are science-based and research-based. Credit goes to Jeremy on YouTube. Okay. All right, to sum it up, this web application was built using Python and Flask, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Thank you for joining me on this tour of FitFolio, and this was CS50.